Hey guys, my name is Basil. I'm the CEO of Breezing. I'm going to show you how Breezing works in a very, very short video. So what we're going to do here is first we're going to add our wallet address. I'm going to take wallet address here, go to new wallet, click blockchain, fill the wallet on this in. Maybe I'll call it Treasury Wallet. Go via network, and I'm going to pull everything from the beginning of time. It's going to automatically scrape all these blockchain. So unlike the other subledgers, you're not choosing each blockchain. You're kind of just letting Breezing do its work. It's going to scrape them all and find all the transactions for you. Go to continue. All right, cool. Now that's cooking. I'm going to go to my chart of accounts. I'm going to link my account. I'm going to go to 0, so we connect 0 in QuickBooks. Go to 0. I'll log in here. Give her 1 second. Let's get in here quickly. Continue here. Grab my organization there. Let's get her in there. Then I'm going to go ahead and get accounts. And boom. Just like that. All the accounts are there. Then I'm going to go here. My company's called Big Time Crypto. I'm going to select my gas fee account. Should have a fee account in there. Yep. I'm going to select gain and loss account. Yeah, I'm going to go with that one. You can separate these two accounts if you're up for it. Hit update. I'm going to keep it as weighted average universal. That's all I'm going to do. Go back to my dashboard, see what's going on here. Loading. Boom. Fully loaded up. Have all my balances here. Looking nice and pretty. So what I can do now is I can either label a per asset balance sheet, or I can do it basically on a wallet by wallet basis. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do per asset. It's probably the fastest and easiest. I'm going to go to ETH, select Ethereum right here, grab the ETH account, save it. Boom. So I'm just going to do ETH for now. Maybe I'll do USDT. USDT. Boom. So I can label them all like that. Or what I could do is I could also create a wallet-based, token-based view. So I could call this one Treasury Wallet, basically. Choose the wallet, equal Treasury Wallet, and then I can attach it to an account on the balance sheet that I created called Treasury Wallet, basically. Do the same for the fee asset account, same thing. Just get them in there, add, boom. So I can either go that wallet view, I can even go a little layer down, do wallet token. So I can even choose ETH, basically, and then create like a Treasury ETH wallet account, which I got right here, you know what I'm saying? So that kind of works it all really fast, really easy. That's the option 2. You got that option, or you got the asset account. So I'm going to go with the asset account option because it's the easiest. I'm going to come down here. This is like the beautiful table that's created for me, and I'm just going to try and find an ETH account. But before I do that, I'm going to calculate gains and losses just real quick. Select them all, calculate. Nice and fast, speedy. It did it for me in a few seconds. I'm going to take this transaction here. Looks pretty nice and juicy. You see all the details you get from it. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit maybe like, I'll call this one legal. Put this one in legal. Hit save. I'll go to sync the full journal. And then there it is. Again, no gimmicks, no nothing. Here's the journal right here. I just got to click view journal. It's going to redirect me to 0. Might have to get in here to my account. Let's get in there. 1 second here. Go back here, hit the view journal. There it is. There's my journal, fully posted. Legal, fees, and gains and losses all posted nice and clean like magic. Now, if I change my mind, let's say actually this was an accounting account. Go here, save, sync. That's one of the beauties about Breezing. It'll update that journal. So let's hit refresh. Went from legal to accounting. So yeah, I encourage you guys to go ahead and try Breezing. There's a bunch of step-by-step guidelines on our channel. If you have any questions, you can also go ahead and contact me. But otherwise, yeah, look forward to having you with us and you checking us out.